And you guys know that I don't like to say bad things about black brands, but that's completely unacceptable. And I didn't do any research. So hi guys, I wanted to come on here and do my end of summer haul. These are all black owned brands that I've been shopping at over the past few months. I wanted to do a quick review and I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get into it. I only have one thing from this brand, and these are some gloves, and these gloves are from the Nyke collective. It is a UK based black owned brand, woman owned brand also, and I got these when they were on sale. I think they were like $60 and they're super cute. Then I got this outfit from Shopsonyabees. I think this is in a large. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is in a large. It don't say. This is in a large, and this is a bodysuit with a high, it's cut super high at the sides, and then you have a long tie side maxi skirt. This is super sexy, super nice. I feel like this would be perfect for like a night out and it's your birthday. They also have this color in white. Absolutely love it. It fits amazing, and I will say their shipping was superb. I got my items on time. I didn't have any problems with their shipping. It came literally in about 3 to 4 days after I ordered it. So Shopsonyabees is on point with their shipping. And then I got this outfit. This is a bodysuit with a silk, not silk, more like satin skirt, and I love this outfit. The only thing I will say, I don't love the shoulder pads. I'm probably gonna take the shoulder pads off, and as soon as I put it on, my zipper broke. I tried it on and the zipper broke. I don't know why the zipper broke, because the zipper actually looked like a nice, strong, sturdy zipper. And I will say that the outfit is not, it's white and it's not see-through. The only part that is see-through is the bottom portion where the bodysuit is, and that's because you're gonna have the skirt portion to cover it up, and it's a long sleeve. I may also cut off the sleeves, I don't know yet, but this is super cute. I got this in a large because they didn't have an extra large, and this was a tad bit too tight, but now that I've lost like 25 pounds, this fits amazing. So I'm going to go get the zipper fix and probably take out the shoulder pads and wear it because it's an amazing outfit. So the next items I got is from Souk Sepia, and this is a brand that I was introduced to by a lovely woman here on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok. Her name is Nyke. I think this is an African-based company, and they have some great items on there. I just wish they had the items on actual models. So that's something I will say. I wish they had the clothing items on models, but otherwise the shopping experience online was okay. A big problem I had with them was my items took about 2 to 3 months to come. I don't know if I'm going to be shopping with them ever again, because that is horrible. I order stuff from AliExpress and it comes in a month. My 2 items took 2 to 3 months to come. So yeah. And you guys know that I don't like to say bad things about black brands, but that's completely unacceptable. I understand with the pandemic and stuff, but we're coming out of the pandemic and a lot of shipping companies are on point and all of that. I even bought stuff on AliExpress and it came to me in 3 weeks. So it's off. But I love the quality of the items I got. I don't have any problems with that. The first dress I got is this orange, and this is a dress that I saw on Instagram that when I clicked on their website I was like, I want this, I need it, I have to get it. It looks absolutely amazing, and it's a maxi all the way down. The top portion is super different, and it kind of have like a scuba material, like a tight knit material. I also got this in a large, and it looks absolutely beautiful. You guys don't know, like orange is the new black, especially for black women. It looks so good on our melanated skin. Top notch. Okay, top notch. And I bought this dress to wear with my Kai Collective gloves and do it like that. You guys will definitely see it in the side portion when I try everything on. It looks amazing together. Sorry if this is gonna wash me out because this is white, but I got this dress right here. It has a cutout at the side, and I also got this in a size large. It has some nice puff sleeves. It has a asymmetrical detailing at the bottom, which I like, and I love the cutout, and it has a zipper at the back, a hidden zipper at the back. This also comes in yellow, I think. This looks absolutely amazing. So this would be like perfect for like brunch, a work event. Like how it's about to be the holidays and stuff. I like this would be perfect for like a work event or something. This outfit, date night, this is very versatile, I feel like. So yeah, that's the clothing items that I got. I also got some stuff from Matte Collection. If I'm touching my hair, it's because this side of my hair keeps flying up. I don't know why. I got some swimsuit from Nyke Collection. They've been stalking me on Instagram. I clicked on one of their ads one time, and their swimsuits kept popping up. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it. And it's black owned brand, so I can definitely give them a chance. They came in this bag right here, and they come in plastic bags, which I love. I can actually use these when I'm going on a trip. So the first thing I got is just a simple black bikini. One thing I will say is when I ordered these in a big size. I ordered everything in an extra large, and like I said, losing weight, I'm still convincing my mind that I'm not as big as I used to be, and I didn't do any research. I should have come on YouTube and look at some reviews and stuff, but I was impulsive. I just went on there and got whatever. And I got most of them in an extra large. This right here, I wore the bottoms. The bottoms is fine, but the top portion is a little bit big. The cups are big on me, so yeah, I'm probably gonna have to go back and get another top to match this bottom. But I love the quality. It's nice quality. I definitely have no complaints where that is concerned. I should have definitely done more research though and picked my correct size. And one thing I will say, I'm so glad that I can actually find a bra that actually fits my boobs. Like, finding bras that actually cover your boobs, especially me. I am a 36 double D or 38 double D. Finding bras, especially bikinis, to like cover and hold up my boobs, especially my boobs are not like stand up like that anymore. I breastfed 2 kids. It's not doing that. So having a bra like this is really going to help you look good. I'm definitely gonna go back and get this bra in a smaller size because I love the quality and I love how it makes my boob look. It's just a tad bit big on the cup area. And then I got this pink Monokini And also, I definitely should have gotten this in a smaller size. I don't know if it's because I have a short torso and long legs. I don't really love how monokinis like this especially looks on me. I have something similar from Shein and it just does not do my body type justice. So I'm probably gonna stick to two-piece. And so after I finished this video, I actually put a knot in the front portion of this bikini, this monokini that was too big, and it actually looks really good. So I think I'm gonna do it to my other monokini and see how it looks. So if you are having that problem where that bunching is happening on your monokini, try just tying a knot at the front. This is another monokini. I actually saw Angela Simmons in this. I got this in, I got this in an extra large also. Let's see. Yeah, I got this in an extra large. I definitely should have got this in a large. I will say the boob section on this one is kind of slick, like small, and then the butt part is super big. I don't know if it's just because I got the wrong size or what it is, but the butt part is just big. But the quality is nice. I love the fabric that they use. It hugs the body, it feels good. Have no complaints there. And then the next one I actually seen, what's her name, that just got a divorce from that pastor in this on Instagram. She did a collab with them. I got this, and I think I also got this in an extra large. Let's see. Yes, I got this in an extra large. I should have gotten a large or a medium. But this, and then it came with this cover up. It looks absolutely great on me, but I have to get the back fixed also, because the back portion, my booty's just not an extra large anymore. So I have to get it tailored, but overall it looks really good. I have no complaints. I will say, make sure you do your research as far as sizing is concerned. I am 5'6", I weigh 180 pounds. My bust is a 38 double D. My waist is a 35. My hips are a 45. So those are my measurements and my weight. If you want to guesstimate, I definitely should have gotten everything in a large. And I could have even worn a medium too. But definitely get a large. Bounce. So that is my quick little haul video. I hope you guys enjoy. These are the stuff that I bought to wrap up my summer wardrobe. I worked out super hard and I was like, I haven't worn a bikini, so I actually wore one and I looked amazing in it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.